Hello students, today we are going to learn relationship between 0 and coefficient of quadratic polynomials. Let's take a question and try to understand. Find 0 of a following quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients. Here given polynomial is px is equals to 3x square minus x minus 4. As we have to find 0 first from the above equation. Therefore, we consider px, which is a polynomial, we will consider it as 0. So, 0 is equals to 3x square minus x minus 4. We can also rewrite the term in x square minus x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now, as we have these two numbers, we can factorize 3 and 4 so that we get the answer. We can factorize in a form where we can take 4 into 3 is equals to 12. We can also write it in the term as 2 into 2 into 3. But we have to factorize both the number in such a way that we get answer as 1. So, the different factor must be 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So, we get 4 and 3 is equals to 1. Therefore, 3x square minus x minus 4 is equals to 0. We can also change the value of x and put it as 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. So, this is nothing but a value of x. Now, in 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0, from the two factor we can find common. We get it as x is common in both. Therefore, in the bracket 3x minus 4 plus 1, 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now we can say both the side 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 4 is common. So the factor as 3x minus 4 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. If we add 4 at both the side, we get 3x minus 4. We can also write it as x is equals to 4 by 3. At the other side, we have x plus 1 is equals to 0. We can bring 1 on the other side, we get it as x is equals to minus 1. As we got two solution set, first is alpha is equals to 4 upon 3, second is beta is equals to minus 1. As we have solved the 0 of quadratic polynomial, but we have to verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients. So, now here we have alpha is equals to 4 upon 3 and beta is equals to minus 1. As the sum of polynomial formula is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. We will take the first polynomial and compare its standard form. 3x square minus x minus 4 is equals to 0. Let us compare in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If you compare both, a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to minus 4. If we put the value in alpha and beta, we get it as alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a is equals to minus in bracket minus 1 upon 3 will give you minus minus will become plus. So, we get 1 upon 3 as the answer. On the other side, we can do as alpha plus beta is equals to 4 upon 3 plus in bracket minus 1 is equals to 4 upon 3 minus 1 is equals to 4 minus 3 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. So, both the side we get it as 1 upon 3. Therefore, verified the relationship. If we find the relationship by multiplying that is alpha into beta is equals to c upon a, which is a formula of alpha into beta is c upon a, which we can get it as c was already mentioned minus 4 upon 3. So, alpha into beta is equals to 4 upon 3 into minus 1 upon 1 is equals to minus 4 upon 3. Hence, verified the relation of zeros and coefficients.